With a price tag at $24,799.00, this 2010 Volvo S80 i6 will not last long. This vehicle is powered by gas i6 3.2L/195 engine with an automatic transmission and FWD. We priced this Volvo S80 to sell quickly. You will find that this vehicle is loaded with options like 17 Cassini alloy wheels, P225/50R17 tires, front fog lights, a rear fog light with auto off, a safe approach home safe security lighting, a tilt integrated turn signals puddle lights, PWR heated mirrors with memory, variable intermittent windshield wipers, an USB input O-input 160 watt amp, 8 speakers and FM stereo, WCD MP3/WMA player incorporated, HD radio, a Sirius satellite radio prep and a Bluetooth. What are you waiting for? Come in for a test drive today. Be an informed buyer when making this purchase and review the Carfax history report now for free. With a 6-cylinder engine, you will have a rollicking good time when you fire up the engine. Feel the power. Act fast. This offer will not last long.